A very good afternoon, class 12th. This is my final guidance for your upcoming exam on 27th of February. This year's CBSE exam of chemistry has given you 4.5 days. Now, I'll be posting 2 videos. The first video which is right now, is about the syllabus management. While the second is about your answer sheet presentation and how will you manage the 3 hours 15 minutes that the board gives you for your final examination. This video I'll tentatively be posting on 26th morning. But for now, the video is about syllabus management. Let's give a quick ready reckoner to your syllabus. A total of 10 chapters is what you have, which makes it 70 mark paper, which means at the rate of 7 marks per chapter is what we are gearing for. It is not necessary. You could find that there are some chapters, there is a readjustment of 1 mark here, 1 mark there. Some chapters could be of 8 or 9 marks. The others might be reduced to 6 or 5 marks. But on an average, we talk about 7 marks per chapter. Now, I would advise that what you have in your syllabus is, the first point is your physical chemistry. There are 3 chapters of physical chemistry which will be requiring numerical practice, and your formulas for numericals should be on your tips when you prepare for them. I don't advise you to practice 100% of your numerical. I advise that you identify the numerical, the chapter from which it is given. Then you identify the formula that you need to use. Substitute the values. Please do not forget that the temperature is always to be taken in Kelvin. If at all there is any other unit variation, please do it accordingly. I already have a video on how to handle physical chemistry. You can check that out also. The second part is your inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with D&F and coordination compounds. No numericals involved. So this is more of a learning, and coordination is understanding. These are 2 chapters. So your volume 1 in total for NCERT is worth 35 marks, that is 50% weightage. Talking about organic chemistry, which some people do find it tough, there are 5 chapters including the biomolecules. The volume 2 of NCERT therefore is roughly approximately 35 marks of this syllabus. Now, how do you handle physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry? This is not the time. I have already told you how to handle these subjects. I have already posted videos on each of these contents, which you must have done. Now, as of these 4.5 days is what we are planning for. आपके पास 4.5 days have to prepare for the exam. उसको divide करके 3.5 days और 1 day कर दीजिएगा. ये जो 1 day है is only for revision. Last वाला दिन, that is on 26th of February को, you will only be doing revision. Rest 3.5 days में you will be completing your syllabus. The most important thing, please divide your chapters into 3 areas. Tough chapters according to you, moderate chapters according to you, and the easy chapters according to you. Everybody has a different way of classifying the chapters. तो जो आपको tough लगता है वो T chapters हो गए, जो आपको moderately okay लगते हैं वो moderate M chapters हो गए, और जो बहुत easy लगते हैं, जो easily आप कर लेंगे, उसको E में mark करूंगी. Now the important parts. Please only NCERT कर रहा है, कोई और book refer अब मत करिएगा. कोई notes आपने throughout the year use करे, you want to use your notes, you may do so, but only NCERT. NCERT is to be done line by line, word by word. That is most important in chemistry. The paper is made out of NCERT, and if you are done with NCERT line by line, you are bound to score above 90% marks. What about previous year's question papers? If at all you want to do them now, I don't advise much, but if you are very good in chemistry और आपका syllabus बहुत अच्छे से हुआ है, तो previous year's questions के लिए my advice is सिर्फ MCQ और reason assertion कर लीजिएगा. वो भी only 2 hours per day. इससे ज़्यादा आपको MCQ और reason assertion नहीं करना है, और वो 2 hours per day at the end of the day करना है. कौन से दिनों पे? 23rd, 24th और 25th को. Which means ना तो आप आज ये करेंगे और ना ही आप last day करेंगे. unnecessary panic होगा. Please, last day, that is on 26th, do not touch any question papers. I repeat, 26th February को do not touch any previous year's question papers. If at all you want to do them, not more than 2 hours, end of the day on 23rd, 24th and 25th. Moving on to the day-wise planning. आज 22nd February को जब आप पेपर दे के घर आएंगे तो it would be around 1:30 पे पेपर खत्म होगा. सबमिशन और घर आने, ट्रैफिक एंड ऑल को देखते हुए यू विल रीच बैक होम अराउंड 2:30 to 3. 5 PM से पहले स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 5 PM to 11 PM आपके पास टाइम है जिसमें टोटल ऑफ 6 hours है. 1 hour आपका डिनर या व्हाट्सएवर उसको चेकआउट ऑन योर फोन्स एक्सेट्रा वो छोड़ दे 1 hour तो यू हैव क्लियर 5 hours टुडे. इन 5 hours में प्लीज टारगेट ओनली द टफ सेक्शन ऑफ योर सिलेबस. जो चैप्टर्स आपको टफ लगते हैं सिर्फ वो किए जाएंगे. टुमारो मॉर्निंग बिफोर लंच टफ चैप्टर्स. आफ्टर लंच थोड़ा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वीक हो जाता है आफ्टर लंच. सो इन दैट केस डू ईदर मॉडरेट और इजी. दैट्स योर विश. एंड ऑफ द डे में 2 hours आपको प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर्स पे लगाना है एंड दैट टू ओनली MCQ एंड रीजन असर्शन. 24th को फिर से बिफोर लंच टफ सेक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर्स जो आपको मुश्किल लगते हैं. पोस्ट लंच मॉडरेट या फिर इजी चैप्टर्स. 2 hours फिर से यू हैव फॉर योर प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. 25th को यू शुड बी लेफ्ट ओनली विद मॉडरेट एंड इजी. जितना भी टफ सेक्शन है वो इन 3 दिनों में आपके टफ चैप्टर्स हो चुके होने चाहिए. मॉडरेट एंड इजी सेक्शन बचा हुआ होना चाहिए ऑन 25th तक. उनको करना है और 2 hours के लिए फिर से प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. लास्ट डे बिफोर द एग्जाम इज योर 26th February. अब तक सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो चुका होना चाहिए. वन टाइम थरो सिलेबस कंप्लीशन शुड हैव बीन डन. यू शुड बी लेफ्ट ओनली विद अ रिविजन. ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज प्लीज यूज अ ब्राइट कलर्ड स्केच पेन, येलो या फिर ऑरेंज, to mark the NCERT for tougher portions of each chapter. जब आप 3.5 days में while you are doing the syllabus, please mark the sections which you find tough still, which you are forgetting still, to mark them with a bright colored sketch pen so that all this will be used up on 26th. 26th February को when you are re-revising, focus more of the NCERT on the yellow and the orange sections that you have marked on the 3.5 days. इसको करते वक्त 2-page शीट ओपन कर लीजिएगा. उस 2-page शीट में वो सब लिख लीजिएगा जो आपको अभी भी मुश्किल लगता है. सो आफ्टर डूइंग योर स्टडी पैटर्न फॉर 3.5 days, on the 4th day you will just re-revise, focusing more on the tougher sections and making a 2-page sheet which can be a ready reckoner. This 2-page sheet is going to be used on 27th morning before the exam. बस वो 2-page sheet आपके पास होना चाहिए जो कि अभी भी पोर्शन रहता है जो आपको भूल जाता है, ताकि एग्जाम सेंटर से पहले उसको एक बार पढ़ के थ्रो द शीट and then enter the examination center. Please do not take the 2-page sheet with you. Do not forget to do that. 3 years का suspension order है if you are found using unfair means in any form. So that was my guidance tip to you. So please, all the best. Study hard in these 4.5 days and do very well in the exam as well as in your life. I will be posting another video soon for how to manage your time. And your answer sheet presentation will be posted on 26th morning is when I will be posting this particular video, which you can have a look at it and start your re-revision. All the best. Do very well in life. Bye for now. Take care.